How to add a gift card to the Dunkin app. You want to load up the Dunkin app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged into your account or create one if you haven't already. You want to access the Manage Payments or Add Card section. Tap on the profile icon or the More button, usually located at the bottom right of the app, and then select Manage Payments or Dunkin card from the menu. Then you gotta choose Add a Dunkin gift card. Look for an option that says Add a gift card or Add Dunkin card and tap on it. Then you will enter the gift card details. Input the 16-digit card number and PIN found on the back of the physical gift card or in your email if it's an e-gift card. Some gift cards may require you to scratch off a protective layer to reveal the PIN. Confirm the balance after entering the details. Confirm the balance and add it to your account. Save and use your card. Once added, you can use the gift card to pay for items directly in the app. You can check the balance in the app anytime. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.